Hi guys, my name's Julia and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this cordless vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, I've got all of my parts right here. So I've got my main vacuum canister, then I have some of the attachments that came with it, so the 2-in-1 brush. Super cool, you can use it in crevice form or dust brush form. And then I've got the wall mount right here that also came with it, and then the screws for the wall mount. I'm gonna put this aside right now. Then I've got another attachment, which is a sofa attachment, which is super cool. It comes with also a cleaning brush, the charger, which is 2 prongs, so very versatile. But you're going to need we're gonna grab our battery pack first. So this is the battery pack that comes with it, and this is where you charge it actually. So super easy to charge. I believe it has like a 40-minute lasting runtime, which is absolutely amazing. Plenty of time to get your house cleaned up. Then you've got your user manual right here, and then we have our main floor vacuum attachment right here for the upright position, and then your telescopic arm, which actually can go longer and shorter, so very versatile. So first we are going to take our battery pack right here, and we are going to slide it in right here. So simply just line it up and you'll hear it click in place, and that's how you put your battery on, just like that. And then you can see to empty the dustbin, you simply just press this button. It's got a very spacious dustbin, which is absolutely awesome. So boom, just like that. And then here we are going to simply just attach the telescopic arm. So boom, you line it up like this and slide it in, and you'll hear it click again. Boom, just like that. And now to use it in the handheld position, you can also attach an attachment onto this telescopic arm, and it's pretty cool because you can put the attachment in just like this. You'll hear it click just like that, and you can even retract the arm. So say you wanna get something on the ceiling, look how long this gets. It's absolutely awesome. So it allows you to reach super far. And to turn the vacuum cleaner on, you simply just press this button right here. So there's a power button you'll see on the back right here, and it's got 3 different speeds. So that's how you change the speed. So it's very easy to use, and also shows the battery life. It's got 40-minute runtime, which is very long, so it's very awesome. And then to put it in its upright position, you simply we're gonna take this off right now, and then you simply just take this tool right here, the floor tool. You're going to line it up and you'll hear it click again. Boom, just like that. And then this is what the floor tool looks like. And then to put it in the higher position, you simply just can extend it like that. And then it's actually really cool because it has a light in front. So super cool. It's got a light, which makes it super easy to clean. And the vacuum also comes with this extra filter, which is awesome. And so now let me go ahead and show you just how powerful the vacuum cleaner is. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some dirt on the table. And let's go ahead and see it in action. All right. So that was literally on its lowest level, and it picked up all of that dirt. Let me just get this last bit. On its lowest level, it picked up all of that dirt. So it's very powerful. It works wonderful on carpet, on hardwood floor, very versatile. You can use it in handheld position, upright position, so many different ways. It just makes cleaning so much easier when you don't have to worry about some long cord and having to replug it a million times around your house. So this thing is absolutely a game changer, and I hope this assembly video was helpful. Thanks for watching.